Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get stock news early. Gaining an advantage in the stock market often means getting information before everyone else. Professional traders and institutional investors frequently use advanced strategies to access news faster. This early access allows them to make informed decisions, potentially leading to more profitable trades. We'll explore the methods and resources that can help you stay ahead of the curve, giving you a better chance to react swiftly to market-moving events and optimize your investment strategy. To get ahead, consider subscribing to premium financial news services. These platforms often deliver breaking news milliseconds faster than public sources. Additionally, regularly checking company investor relations websites and official regulatory filings, such as those with the SEC, provides direct, verified information. Don't overlook the power of financial social media and specialized forums, where early discussions and rumors can sometimes signal upcoming news, though always verify information from these less formal channels before acting. Once you receive early news, rapid analysis is key. You need a framework to quickly determine the potential impact on a stock. Setting up automated alerts for specific company names or keywords can notify you instantly when relevant information breaks. It's also vital to differentiate between confirmed, factual news and mere speculation or rumors. Acting on unverified information carries significant risk, so always prioritize credible sources and cross-reference details before making any trading decisions. While seeking early news offers advantages, it's crucial to understand the risks. Always operate within legal and ethical boundaries. Insider trading is strictly prohibited. Diversifying your news sources helps you get a balanced perspective and reduces reliance on any single, potentially biased, outlet. Remember, even with early information, market movements can be unpredictable. For more insights and to explore other great deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other resources that can help you stay informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.